Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a twist out. I washed my hair last night and I did an aloe vera pre-poo, and I washed my hair with conditioner instead of using shampoo because I wanted to try something different. And I just wanted to switch up my wash day routine a little bit to see how it does using conditioner only. And my hair is super soft, and I think that's something I'm gonna stick with for a while, and just to see how my hair progress and see how my hair likes it in the long run. So I'm gonna get right to it, so just keep watching.
I've been waiting, anticipating until you even know what I really wanna do to you. Contemplating and relating, bodies associated. Ooh, falling and falling slow, falling and falling slow, falling and falling.
Okay, y'all. So this twist out today is gonna be a little bit different. You know, usually I use some type of leave-in conditioner. Well, today I'm not doing that. I'm going to use my aloe vera spray to detangle. Well, my hair really is pretty much detangled. I'm just going to use it to, wet my hair up a little, add a little bit of moisture. And for my leave-in, I'm just going to use the Afro Sheen 4-in-1 leave-in. This is the newest leave-in that I have, and it's sprayable. That's what I like about it. It works pretty good. And last but not least, I know y'all thought we canceled grease. Well, I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. I'm not gonna use it on my scalp. I'm only gonna use it on my hair. So stay tuned for that, and I'll show you how it goes with my twist out using this Blue Magic hair grease. Okay, so the reason why I decided to use Blue Magic this time is because I decided, let me go back to the basics with my hair and see how it goes, because y'all know we were kids, that's pretty much our parents used to like grease, and our hair was healthy. Well, I know mine was pretty healthy. So I went to the store, picked up some Blue Magic. It's like, you know what? Let me give this a shot and see how it goes. Haven't used it in years, and my hair is still moisturized from last night. So what conditioner? Oh, I used the Emerge conditioner last night. That's what I used. So I honestly think I'm gonna stick with using conditioner instead of shampoo. Like I said, I haven't used shampoo. I have never tried this method before. Okay, that should be enough. I'm just gonna cut off my first section. Usually I don't care about the person. This time I'm the person. I'm just going to pretty much use water and grease on my hair. And I'll eventually try to do a wash and go using this method as well, but that's going to be later on in the future. And yeah, comb this out, and I'm going to get, okay. The oils that I used in my aloe vera spray this time are vitamin E and the jojoba oil. Okay, so I'm just going to use a little grease. I'm not going to use much at all. I'm going to keep adding a little bit. I'm trying not to add too much. also going to use this opportunity to look at my ends and see if they need to be clipped a little. That's the best time to clip your ends, is when you're doing twists, because you can see what ends look a little raggedy and you need to get rid of them. So, yeah, these look fine. Those look fine for the most part. Okay, y'all, so I am finally finished. I think they came out pretty good. They look all juicy and moisturized. I don't know why my hair is so short over here. Oh, I think it's my shrinkage is different. Yeah, that's what it is. But I am done. I'm gonna give you a full view. The back. Now I'm just gonna spread all over. Put a little bit on here. And I'm going to add some type of oil. I'm going to use this hydration serum that's made by Eden Body Works. I picked it up at Target. I haven't used it in a while, but I'm probably going to use this most of the week to refreshen my twists or my curls. I'm not sure. Am I going to leave them twisted? I might unravel them tomorrow. I don't know. It depends on how they look. But they are so beautiful. So I'm going to use some of this. Ooh, I got too much. This is a pretty good serum to use on your twists and your twist out once they're unraveled. And it's very lightweight, has a very good smell. It is the almond marshmallow. This is the only thing I have from this particular Eden Body Works line. Well, yeah, the almond and marshmallow line. That's the only thing that I have from it, but I can honestly say that I like this stuff. And I never use it. I don't really use it that often, but when I do, it works pretty good. Then also, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my hair. Even though that was oil, I'm gonna, so I can have some on my scalp. I'm gonna use this oil. I need to get some more. This is a good growth oil made by Yaz Hair Care and what's it? Yaz Hair Company. Yaz Hair Company. I'm gonna link it down below as well, so you can check that out, because it has definitely helped my hair to grow. This along with the aloe vera, has really helped with my hair growth in the last couple of months. Been using it since, was it September, October, something like that. But I'm definitely going to link it so you can give it a try. Now, last thing I'm going to do is stretch my curls out some. Well, stretch my twist out some so my shrinkage won't be so horrible in the morning. I'm going to use some hairpins that I got. I'll leave put them in here. I should do a video on how I make these. Well, it's not that hard, but okay. So when I stretch my twist, I usually put them on the opposite end of my hair. Like these will go over here, and I will pin them down. Hopefully it stays. These will go over here. You can twist them up like that too. The ones at the back, I'm gonna bring them to the front. So as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Tap that notification bell so you can know every time I upload a video. And thanks for watching. Oh, my bad, y'all. So I'll come back in the morning to show you how I unravel them and also to show you how I style them. So then that'll be the fun. Good morning, y'all. So as you can see, it's the next morning. And I'm about to take my hair down and see how this Black Magic worked out for me. I'm gonna take these hairpins out first though, so just bear with me. I got the eyes for you. I go and die for you. That's not an over-exaggeration. I'm just addicted to salivating over you. Yeah, you're my vice, the only thing that I can get away with eating twice. So I'ma let it drip, 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 drip down. Drip, 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 drip down. I see blue, turn your mouth into the Arctic Circle, berry pink. Chewy loving on your taste buds, near a mix. Let it melt until that last thing. Mango tango Rita, make you wanna meet a sour apple twist. It's the type to make your eyes cry, get your fix. Let it seep into your bloodstream, let it kick. Ooh. Okay, y'all, so I've taken out all my twists. I hope I didn't miss any, but I love the curl definition. Just give you a good little close up. That Blue Magic really worked well on my hair. And my hair is not too greasy. I thought it was going to be a little too greasy, but I'm glad I didn't use more than what I did use. So I'm just going to give you a quick full view. That's it. I hope I didn't miss any twists. I don't think I did though. So I think I want to separate them a little bit more. Maybe. I don't know. I'm going to see how it is once I shake my hair out some more. But I am about to style it and I will come back to you with the final result. But lastly, I will say that using that Blue Magic really help moisturize my curls and to define my curls. Like, I love the definition, y'all. I love it so much. So I don't usually like wearing my hair in my face like this, but it's kind of cute. So I think I'm gonna keep it that way. But y'all, check out the curls though. The curls for the girls. Let's see. Take my glasses off.
See, I got the eyes for you. I go and die